नमो तस् भगवतो अरहतो सम्मा सम्बुद्धस्स। नमो तस् भगवतो अरहतो सम्मा सम्बुद्धस्स। नमो तस् भगवतो अरहतो सम्मा सम्बुद्धस्स। Let us understand Dhammapadam. This is the first Vagga of Yamak Vagga. मनोपगमा धम्मा मनोसेठा मनोमया मनसा च पदुत्थेन भासति वा करोति वा ततो नं दुःखं मन्वेति चक्कं वहतो पदम्। मनोपगमा धम्मा, mind is the forerunner of all evil states. Manosettha, mind is chief, mind is great. Manomaya, all the work are mind made. All the works are mind made. Mansa che paduthen, if one keeps bad thoughts in one's mind and speaks or acts, bhasat speaks, karot acts, tato then dukkham anvet, suffering follows one. Chakkam vato padam, like the wheel follows the hoof of the drought ox. Translation of the above Vagga. Manopupagama Dhamma. Mind is the forerunner of all evil states. Manosettha Manomaya. Mind is great, chief. Mind made are they. Mansa cha paduthen bhasati va karot va. If one keeps bad thoughts in one's mind and speaks or acts, then tato nang dukkham anvet chakkam va vato padam. Then, because of that suffering or sorrow follows one, even as the wheel follows the hoof of the drought ox. Let this understand by a story. A middle-aged devout person named Chakkhupal became a monk, bhikkhu, and was energetically leading a contemplative life. As a result of his strenuous endeavor, he realized arahantship, the final stage of sainthood. But unfortunately went blind One day, as he was pacing up and down the ambulatory, he unintentionally killed many insects. Some visiting monks, noticing the blood-stained ambulatory, complained to the Buddha that he had committed the offense of killing. The Buddha explained that the monk had killed them unintentionally and that he was an arahant. The monks then wished to know the cause of his blindness. The Buddha reiterated that in a past birth, as a physician, that monk had given an ointment to a poor woman to restore his eyesight. She promised that with her children she would become his servants if her eyesight was restored. The physician's prescription proved effective, but the woman, not willing to keep the promise, pretended that her eyes were getting worse. The cruel physician, yielding to a wicked thoughts, retaliated by giving her another ointment which blinded her eyes. In consequence of his past evil action, the Arhant became blind. This is the retributive aspect of the laws of karma, the other being the continuative aspect. This is the story about this Vagga. Thank you very much. Namo Buddhaya.